account data to cash. Being building purchased. Fine. And after that, what is the next entry which we have to do is purchase goods for cash. See the difference between the second entry and the third entry. Building is there, it's in a real account. Here it's a cash. So there is nothing, no asset is there. No aspect of word asset is there. So what I'll write here, it is purchase account data. Account data. There is no, it is a sixth entry. How much is the amount? 30,000. Cash account. Cash account, it's 30,000. So being goods purchased, cash. Fourth entry. Have you understood this entry?
Yes,
This
ma'am.
is the fourth entry. The next fourth entry, purchase goods on credit. Very clearly it is given. So what we'll do, purchase account data. Purchase account data. The 35 students, you should study the step 1, step 2, step 3. If you're not going to go and do that step 1, step 2, step 3, these concepts will not come to you on a aspect of flow. If you are not going to get that flow, it's difficult. I'm still telling you, you have time to study. Please study that step 1, step 2, step 3. 2 creditors is a new concept, 7. So what is this amount? 2,500. 1,500. Being goods purchased on credit. That's all. Fifth entry. Fifth entry. Paid cartage. Nominal. Right? The nominal expense. So cartage. Cartage account data. Amount. Cartage account data to. Cartage is a new thing. So 8. 200. To cash. Cash account. 1. 200. Being freight paid. Right? FRIEGHT. Freight paid for transporting the goods. Sixth. Sold goods for cash. Sold goods for cash, what is it? Anybody has an answer? No interaction in this class. What has happened?
Cash account to sales.
Cash to
And
sales.
everybody, I don't want anybody doing this. I'm recording us there. You can do the sum later. You give me the answer. Interaction is very important. Once if you interact only, I will give you marks.
Cash
I don't want
account to
anybody
sales
writing
Sales account,
ma'am.
sold goods. The whole class is not talking. I'm noting the people. Sold goods for cash, 25,500. How is it? Tell me.
cash account to sales account.
Cash account data to sales account.
Sales
Cash
account.
account data to. Tell me each and everything. Ledger folio to everything. Every amount, 25,500. To sales account. Sales is a new aspect. Am I right? So 9. So 25,500.
Being the goods sold on cash.
Yeah, being goods sold for cash. Goods sold for cash. Write a very simple entry, narration. Don't do any complication on the narration aspect. The next one. What is the next question? 7th one, sold goods to Avatar. For cash only.
Cash account to sales.
So cash to
Sales.
cash
to
to
sales.
cash account data.
To sales.
What is the amount?
2,400.
2,400.
Sales account, yeah, 2,400. Being goods sold to Avatar, am I right? That's the only difference will come in the narration. Being goods sold to Avatar. That's all. That's the only aspect which will be there in this entry. 8th entry,
Goods to Mahendran on credit.
yeah, sold goods to Mahindra on credit.
Mahindra
Mahindra to
to
sales.
sales.
Very good,
Mahindra
very
account to
good.
sales
That's what I
account.
want. Mahindra account data. See, now I gave you a gap of a week for your journal ledger. I did only one problem. Now you are able to get your answers. The whole class is able to tell. That means you are studying in the book. The book studying is very, very important, guys. If you're not going to study the concept, it is not going to help you. Mahindra is a new aspect. So this is 10. Sales is an old aspect, 9. So 4,650 is my amount. I am getting answer from you people itself. That's why I gave a gap. It does not mean that I finished the syllabus. Being good sold to, till the exam I will do the sums. Okay, that's really nice. That's all. I've written my name. I've sold the goods to Mahender on credit, no? To credit is not a proper English. On credit. Yeah. Sorry for writing it like that. 9. The next one, 9.
Paid
Paid
Entry.
freight
Freight
120.
account
to
to
cash.
cash.
Freight to
Cash
cash.
account.
Very good, very good. Freight account. Freight account
And freight
data.
spelling, ma'am.
What is freight account? Again 11. Am I right?
And freight spelling, FR.
FRI. What's the spelling?
FREIGHT, ma'am.
FREIGHT, ma'am.
FR. Okay. What did I write? FRIE. Correct only, no?
FREI, ma'am.
FREIGHT.
FR8 freight.
Father. English varla. FR.
FREIGHT.
EIGHT. Yeah. Freight, correct?
Yes, ma'am. Freight on
Freight
to
account
cash.
data
To cash.
to cash account. Is 120.
120.
Being freight
Paid.
To
paid in cash for transporting goods. Okay, so I've done that.
deposited cash in the bank.
Now 11th, 10th entry. What is my
Deposit
10th entry?
cash into bank, ma'am. So cash account data to bank.
No, bank account data
Bank
to
to
Bank
cash. Sorry.
account data
Bank
to
to
cash.
cash.
Bank
Cash
account
account.
data to cash account.
Thank you, thank you. Bank account data to.
Cash account.
Lot of
Cash.
competition is coming now for exam, the answers. So what is the number? 12.
8,000. Bank
12, right?
cash 8,000 amount.
12. 12. Yeah, bank account data to cash. To cash account. 8,000.
Being cash
Cash
deposited in
deposited in the bank. 11. What is the question? 11. Paid salary
salary for
4,600.
Salary account
Salary
data.
Account to cash account.
Salary account data.
To cash account data.
13. To cash account. How much is the amount? 4,600. Salary paid by cash.
Drawing.
Huh?
Ma'am, nothing, ma'am.
being salary paid by cash. Next one, 12th entry. Withdrew from bank for 5,000 for office use.
Cash account debtor to
Cash account to
Cash
bank
account
account.
dated to bank account.
Yes, very good. Because here it is office use, it is not personal use. Remember that cash account only for personal use, you will have drawings. The cash account data. All this, you please write it down and keep what I'm telling you. Please keep it as a important jargon so that you will remember. Cash account data to bank account. Bankers 12.
5,000.
Being cash withdrew from bank for office use. 13th entry. Charged withdrew from bank for 3,000
Drawings.
private use.
Drawing account.
Drawings account
Drawings
data to
account to bank
bank.
account. Credit.
Writers drawings account
Provided
data.
drawing to bank.
To bank account.
To bank account.
Writers drawing us a new thing. 14. Am I right?
Oh.
Bank account.
Bank account.
L. So what is the amount? 3,000. So being cash withdrew from bank for personal use. Please follow what I have done. It's proper, I think. Proprietor's drawing. I have not written it in the full form. You can write it in full form, okay? Proprietor's drawing or PROP is also okay. Personal use. But in the exam, you need to really write it in a full form. Charged interest on capital, nominal account.
Interest on
account
capital.
to
Account to capital
Interest
account.
on
Interest on capital
capital,
account to capital account.
Nominal
capital
account to
account
capital.
data
to cash
to
account.
capital account. Right, so interest on capital is a new thing. So 15. Somewhere else it is there. Capital account is already created.
5.
I don't remember. It's 4. Capital is 4. If I make a mistake, small mistake, my ledger also will go into soup. Okay. So be always careful when you're writing the ledger folio. 12,500. So being interest provided for capital. 15th. Last and final one. Mahendra became insolvent. Only 3,000 could be realized from him. Now, where does this Mahendra come in before? In the 8th transaction. Am I right? 8th transaction, it's coming. Am I right or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah,
Yes, ma'am.
sold goods to Mahendra on credit 4,650 and Mahendra became insolvent. Only 3,000 could be realized. All the non-accounting students are listening.
Yes, ma'am.
Navneet,
Yes,
are
ma'am.
you there in this class?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah, all of you be on camera. Please be on camera. I find very less camera views happening here. It's getting recorded, guys. I'm very serious about it. If you're not going to be on the camera. Yes. Now listen, 8th transaction and 15th transaction are interconnected. Are you getting it? So what is the 8th transaction? He has sold the goods for 4,650. What is the last transaction? I could only take from him 3,000 rupees. What is my balance? 4,650 minus 3,000.
1,650.
1,650 I couldn't recover from him. So what is that gone as? It is gone
Discount
as
or
a bad debt.
Bad debt.
Insolvent.
Okay.
Insolvent means bad debt. The word insolvent means bad debt. Please write it down as a jargon. Put double star, write it in that sum. So cash account data, it's what? It's account data, it's a new account. So 16, insolvent. Please remember the word insolvent, the not recovered, all those concepts are called as bad debts. Please remember the word. Please write it down, double star it up and write it down. Whenever I'm telling something, when I'm saying double star, don't write the sum now. Only write it in the above column of your notebook. To Mahinder. Mahinder account. Mahinder account is already opened, right? What is the number? Anybody remembers? 10. Yeah, 10. So what is the one? 3,000. Only I could realize. Yeah. 10,000. What is this amount? 4,650. What is the difference?
Bad debts.
1,650.
1,650.
1,650.
Have you understood, all of you, how I did this? I've settled my Mahinder's account. Being amount received, full settlement, this account. Navneet, have you understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. So that is the reason. These are the way we have to do it. See, I took a lot of gap in doing your journal entries. Now, you should really be thorough in doing it in yourself. Of course, I will do another sum also. It's not that Deepa ma'am will not continue doing final accounts. When I'm doing final accounts also, I will do simultaneously journal also. So I will make you work hard. I'll make you to do it. I gave you 2 sums to do for yourself. Guys, you have to work hard little. Please, I'm again and again telling you, take the general entry. All the 5 general entries are common message of all what I'm giving problems. Keep the 5 journal entry in the left hand side. Write it down in a separate A4 sheet. Keep the problem in your desktop. Take the golden rules, keep it in the right hand side in the A4 sheet. Take a notebook. See the example. See the problem in the desktop. Take the golden rule and then start writing in your book. A non-accounting student have to go with a triangle shape. If you're not going to work in a triangle shape, you will not be able to understand. Reading the book alone is not the concept. The concept of learning is very, very important. You need to have a triangle workshop way of doing your problems. And of course, calculation. If you are really good in a calculation in your mind, then I don't think that you need to use a calculator. Otherwise, if you are bad in calculation, please have a calculator. As an accounting teacher, even I'm having a calculator. That doesn't mean that we are bad in calculation. Okay, there is nothing wrong in using a calculator even for 200 rupees plus 120 rupees. There is nothing wrong. Only thing it is the way you are taking the concept. Have you understood my problem? Have you understood my problem?
Yes,
Have
ma'am.
you understood
Yes,
my
ma'am.
problem?
Yes,
My
ma'am.
voice is
Yes,
not
ma'am.
breaking, Jai Ganesh. Jai Ganesh, it's very clear. I'm not having any break in my voice. All others are having any problem?
No, ma'am.
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, fine. Fine. So this is how we have to do a problem. I'm stopping to record this. Okay, let's not record this more. Yeah.